feet. Straight the feet and legs. Straight, 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 straight. Relax. Here you go. Relax. Relax your legs, baby. Relax. Relax. Ayan. Okay. Baba natin yung hands. Dahan-dahan on your side. There you go. Ayusin natin ang damit. LR. Ayan. Very good. Okay. Natin. Ayan na. Ganyan. Oof! Favorite position niya talaga. Okay. Relax. 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 Yep. Nag-auto ano siya. Okay. Relax natin ang feet natin, ha? Relax natin. Yan. Okay. Yung hand. Yan. Tama na.